Hi guys, welcome to Be Gluten Free, where I do gluten-free recipes here on YouTube and then go through Paris and take cute aesthetic photos of my food for my Instagram. Today we're making mini lemon cheesecake with lemon curd and speculoos crust. I had some lemon curd left from my last video, but of course you can check it out to see how to make one. have this cute rose shape silicone pan, and I wanted to put it to use. I had this idea of my mini lemon cheesecake to make mini roses and upper parts to be clear from gelatin and have maybe some fruits through it, just to be fun for upcoming Valentine's Day. But of course you don't need to put all this. You can just make white meringue after baking cheesecakes and call it a day. I had time. If you do end up doing the gelatin part and do the shaper, please make sure they stay overnight, and before taking it out of shaper, put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It's bake_gluten-free. Thank you for watching. Until next video. Bye.